Today is one of those weekends when we didn't plan anything. So let's see where we end up. Ваши ручки, ты такой милый. I was on a mission to buy some clothes for the upcoming trip, but instead I ended up spending most of the time here. Let's have a look.
This is a mango?
No.
What is it?
Smelling it tastes like mango. Yes.
Okay, let's try.
Dany didn't join me for the dinner, so let's have fun alone. Let's go! Good morning, guys. Today I need to do some shopping for the week, or at least a couple of days, and let's do it together. to show you. This is a banana flower, and they also eat it somehow, but I have never tried it. I really wanted to make some pancakes today because it's Islamic holiday when people usually make pancakes called masliniца, but we do not have regular flour here. Like, I've looked everywhere, I've asked people, so I guess we are ordering them instead. $2,300 baht, which is around 65 euros, which is, I guess, good for this amount of food. Our last stop for today and for this weekend is the gym. And honestly, I've been feeling extremely lazy lately to do any kind of sports, mostly because it's like plus 35 outside in Chiang Mai, and I'm not handling well the heat wave, but we have to stay healthy, so let's do it. We are done with the workout and I'm going home. But what I want to say, guys, is that it's my first vlog in such format where I'm just showing you a piece of my life and a bit of traveling, etc. So I think and I hope you'll enjoy it. At least it was fun for me. And if there are any specific areas or topics you want me to show more, let me know in the comments. Next week, me and Dany are going on a very spontaneous trip, and I'm planning to film there as well. So see you soon. Bye.